In the winter of 2012, I sold some mutual funds out of my retirement account. I paid a 10% early withdrawal penalty. And what did I buy with that money that I paid a penalty to get? I bought these 2 ounces of gold. And I bought these 2 ounces of gold, ow, my finger, because I was told that the market was going to collapse into oblivion. The stock market was going to go away. What we had just seen in the 2008-2009 recession was going to be nothing compared to what was coming next. So I would like to thank a certain Dr. Doom for that advice. And after almost 10 years, I'm up just about $300 on those 2 ounces of gold.
I love gold.
So I bought into the claim that it was a great investment, and people have wanted gold for quite some time because it doesn't tarnish or rust. It's really appealing to look at, and it has been used as money since 550 BC. But by itself, it just sits there. It does nothing. There's no cash flow component to these gold pieces of bullion. Now, had I known better, I would have invested for cash flow, such as in Barrick Gold, ticker GOLD, paying a 1.86% dividend yield, or Newmont Corporation, ticker NEM, paying 3.46% dividend yield, or better yet, the Spider Gold Shares ETF, which they invest in and track the price of gold bullion, and look at how they've outperformed Newmont Corporation over the past few decades, but they do indeed have a 0.40 expense ratio. Well, what about gold versus the stock market or the S&P 500? Over the last 50 years, the S&P is only up 526% more than gold. But if we look at dividends reinvested, the S&P would be up 13,458% to be exact. And do remember that over the life of the stock market, it has always gone up and to the right. So what I wish I knew then that I know now is that I paid a 10% penalty for inferior gains to get out of those mutual funds that are tied to the stock market. And that gold is just a lousy investment compared to stocks, which I think stocks are a great hedge against inflation. And in my opinion, gold is not an investment, but it is a vehicle to help your dollars leapfrog inflation. So do you invest in gold or precious metals? We would love to hear how you do it, what you do, what your opinion is on gold bullion, gold stocks. What's your favorite gold stocks? And hey, I'm going to let YouTube pick this video right here. It's going to sort something that's best for the viewer. So whatever YouTube chooses, click on that video and I will most likely talk to you there.